Looking for a dependable replacement key for your Toyota or Scion? This fully functional key fits a range of popular models, including the Scion TC, 2005 to 2010, Toyota 4Runner, 2003 to 2010, Avalon, 2005 to 2012, Camry, 2003 to 2011, Corolla, 2005 to 2013, and FJ Cruiser, 2007 to 2009. It's designed to match your original key in both form and function, ensuring a seamless fit every time. What makes this key stand out is the included chip, ready to be programmed. However, programming and cutting must be done by a qualified locksmith or dealership to guarantee proper operation. This step ensures your vehicle's security system recognizes the key, so you won't face any surprises when you hit the ignition. The key carries multiple interchange part numbers, like 4D67, 4D68, and OEM numbers such as 89785, 08020 and 89785, 60160. These details confirm its compatibility with your vehicle's original parts, giving you peace of mind that you're getting an authentic replacement rather than a generic alternative. Customers from across the United States have praised this key for its excellent quality and reliability. It's a straightforward solution for anyone who's lost their key or needs a backup without compromising on security or convenience. The precise manufacturing means you avoid the frustration of poorly fitting keys that can damage your ignition. If you're ready to replace your worn or lost key, this option is worth a look. It's a practical investment that saves you time and hassle compared to ordering from dealerships directly, while still maintaining the security standards your vehicle requires. Keep in mind, the key's size and shape are designed to match the original exactly, so it fits comfortably in your hand and your vehicle's ignition. This attention to detail helps maintain the smooth operation you expect from your car's key system. To get started, have your locksmith or dealership handle the cutting and programming. This ensures your new key syncs perfectly with your vehicle's immobilizer system, allowing you to drive away without a second thought. If that's you, someone who values a reliable, factory-quality replacement key, this product delivers exactly what you need. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy the confidence that comes with having a key you can trust every time you get behind the wheel.